Imagine watching all your favorite live sports, movies, and shows in one place, without needing cable. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what Fubo is all about. But is it really worth your money? Let's dive in and find out. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're breaking down Fubo, one of the fastest growing live TV streaming platforms. If you've ever wondered whether Fubo is the right choice for you, stay with me till the end because I'll explain everything in simple words. What is Fubo? Fubo, also known as FuboTV, is a live TV streaming service. Think of it like cable TV, but online. You don't need wires or a dish. You just need an internet connection and a device like a smart TV, phone, or laptop. What does it offer? Fubo is very popular among sports fans because it has a huge collection of live sports channels. Football, basketball, baseball, soccer, you name it. But it's not just sports. You also get news, entertainment, lifestyle, and kids channels. Basically, it feels like having cable, but simpler and more flexible. How much does Fubo cost? Fubo offers different packages. The price usually starts at around $70 per month, depending on the plan. Yes, it's not the cheapest streaming service, but it gives you a ton of live content, which many people feel is worth it, especially sports lovers. Pros of Fubo. Great for sports fans. Tons of sports channels. Comes with cloud DVR, so you can record shows and games. Supports multiple devices, so your whole family can watch at the same time. No contracts. You can cancel anytime. Cons of Fubo. A little expensive compared to some competitors. Not every local channel may be available in every area. Internet required. So if your internet is slow, your streaming may buffer. Is it worth it? If you're a big sports fan and you want live channels without traditional cable, Fubo is definitely worth considering. But if you rarely watch sports, you might find cheaper options like Hulu Live, YouTube TV, or Sling TV more suitable. So that's everything you need to know about Fubo in simple words. Now it's your turn. Do you think Fubo is worth the price? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.